we can quickly create a dashboard around this entire information. What I'll do, I'll first build a chart here. We already have this information. Let me just quickly insert a chart here. So if you look, we have already inserted a chart. But do you guys see there's a problem here? Our month is not sorted. So, this is a very peculiar problem that you'll face in Google Sheets. Google Sheet does not automatically sort your month. So it will either sort you by total number of days, or it will sort by ascending or descending the alphabetical order. That's all it will provide. That's all Google Sheet provides us in sorting options. So how do we go about it? I don't want to look at this data. This is not presentable at all. So there's a way to go around it. What I'll do, I'll go back to my data and I'll create a helper column here. So this is the reason why I've already tagged this column as H. I'll mark it as helper column. What I'll do, I already have this information. I have created a very small unique table wherein Jan is denoted by 1, Feb is denoted by 2, March is denoted by 3, so on. So I'll use VLOOKUP here. This is my search key. This is my search range. My search key. This is my search range. Then second index 0. Yeah. So here we go. We have denoted our month by the helper column now. I'll centrally align this. I'll give the same formatting of this one. Then I'll simply align. So you see, the formatting is also very important, even though this looks very minuscule. But without formatting, this will start looking unprofessional. So let's not go that way. So now I have this additional information of helper column. I'll go back to my pivot table pivot table sheet. What I'll do, I'll try to bring in the helper column information here. In the rows, first I'll bring in the helper column. Now, as per the helper column, this is automatically sorted. My Jan is coming first, then Feb, then March, and similarly, I'll do the same exercise here as well. I'll remove the month information from the rows. First, I'll add helper, and then I'll add month information. See, what I can do, I will just quickly hide this particular piece here so that our focus is away from helper column, and this is the major part of the table that I want to look at. I'll quickly add a chart here, totals from here, and if I reduce the font size, let me add slicer as well. There's one very good function or feature attached in Google Sheets and Excel right now is to add slicer. I'll add slicer here. Okay, choose the column of month. So right now my entire data set will change by changing the selection here in the slicer. If I just want to look at Jan and Feb, I just have to make only one change here using slicer. Or if I just want to look at April and Feb, this is all we need to do. We need to keep changing or keep toggling or selecting or unselecting using slicer. This is how I'll do. I'll quickly just give a small background color. So yeah, this is how you do it, a quick way of doing the dashboarding. This is how I do it normally when I have a huge data set. I usually do my calculation using pivot tables. You can do a lot of stuff here, try to make it look as formatted as possible. Formatting is the key, guys. I can just do a lot of formatting here. I please make sure all this formatting are properly done before you show this output to your manager. There are multiple ways to do it, multiple ways to make it look good. Look good. Yeah. So yeah, this is all I wanted to show you on Google Sheets.